Hello students, in today's grammar video, we are going to learn vocabulary third lesson, that is homophones. Actually this lesson's online lecture is over but video is not sent, so I am sending this video. Homophones means what? See, homophones are words which have different spellings and meanings but are pronounced in a same way. Means there are some words their spellings are different and meanings also it is different, but they are pronounced, means they are said in same way. For examples here, flower, flower. These two words pronunciation, if you see both word two pronunciation are there. Flower also we can do flower, flower, and flower, flower. Like this both pronunciation it is there. And these two words pronunciation are same, but meaning and spellings are different. Next example, see wait, wait. Now this pronunciation of this two word it is same, but the spellings and meanings it is different. That only it is like these words only are called homophones. First example, flour. This flour means what? Powder of grain, which we use to make chapati, that. And next word flower it is, that is the different type flowers are there. Jasmine, rose, this flower. And next example, wait, wait. In this wait, first word indicate wait means what? Stop. And another wait means we measure the weight, our weight, that weight. Now we'll solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct homophones from the brackets. First, some children were working out a difficult sum. Now here children are there. For that which word should come? Sum, S-O-M-E. And difficult sum. Here which word should come? S-U-M. Means you have to think and write which word should be correct. That you have to write. Next B, the doctor prescribed medicine to heal the lady's heel. Now here heel, H-E-A-L, heel means what? Cure. And next heel means what? H-E-E-L. That means the back part of our foot. That it is called heel. Next, see, they knows which food is fresh and which is stale. Now here knows. Which nose should come? K-N-O-W-S. Next example, D. I am not allowed to eat too many sweets, he said aloud to his host. Now here allowed. These two words pronunciation are same, but you have to choose correct and right. I am not allowed. A-L-L-O-W-E-D. This word will come first. I am not allowed to eat too many sweets, he said aloud. How he said aloud? A-L-O-U-D. Loudly he said to his host. Next E example, we will have to tie the knot tightly, not loosely. Now you have to choose correct word. Which word will come at which place, that you have to think and write. Now next F, I always have cereal for breakfast. Now cereal means what here? A grain used for food such as rice, wheat. This cereal it is. So which word you should write? C-E-R-E-A-L. I always have cereal for breakfast. G, this will dash dash observe in the lab for a week. Now here this will be, B-E will come because B-double-E. This B, it is one insect. We can't write this word. Next H, this week the students who are weak in the mathematics will be coached. Now here first week it will come W-double-E-K and next W-E-A-K. Next I, we need 1 hour to finish our homework. First will be H-O-U-R and next word will be O-U-R. J, why did the hunter pause seeing the mark of the tiger's paws on the ground? Now here tiger's paws will come, P-A-W-S, and hunter paws, P-A-U-S-E. Here hunter pause. Now P-A-U-S-E. Pause means stop or wait. And next tiger pause. Now here P-A-W-S. This pause means what? An animal's foot having claws. It's Panja we say Marathi. So tiger pause. P-A-W-S will come. After lesson number 3 from vocabulary, next lesson 4th anagrams. This I am going to teach. these both lessons, anagram and homophones. These are small lessons, so in one video only I have explained this both also lesson. Now anagrams means what? See, an anagrams is a word or a group of words formed by rearranging the letters of the word or another group of words. Anagrams means what? See, anagrams means a word that is formed or made by rearranging the letters of another word. For example, was, VASC, this word is there. You have to rearrange these letters from this word and you have to make new word. Now VASC, these letters only you have taken, you have to make new word, another word. That is save, SAVE, means the word which is formed by rearranging the letters of another word. That word is called anagram. Here save word is called anagram because we have rearranged the letters of word was and we have made which word? Save. So save is called anagram. How words are formed? By rearranging the letters of another word. In that way you can form a group of words by rearranging the letters of another group of word, and that words also are called anagrams. Question: rearrange the letters of each word to form a new words. This here words are given, that words letters you have to rearrange and you have to make new word, means that anagrams you have to make. Now first flesh, A, flesh. What will come? If you rearrange the letter, shelf word will come. Next shore, horse. C, sore, rose. D, ape. You have to rearrange letter, you have to make new word, that is P. P means we say green seeds, wheat, that we say vatana. Next E, soil. From soil you can make oils, this word. Question 2, read the clues and form new words with the letters of the words in brackets one has done for you. Here in the bracket clue is given, and with the help of that clue, means word is given in the bracket. With the help of that word you have to form a new words. Now first, opposite of stop, what will come? Begin. Now in bracket which word is given? Bing, BEING. With the help of these letters you have to form new word, which is the answer of this question. Opposite of stop, what will come? Begin. Next, B rhymes with make. There is a word which rhymes with make. With the help of the bracket you have to write this answer. Now beak is given. Now if you rearrange this word, you can get the answer bake. Make, rhyming word will come bake. Next, C, opposite of noisy. Now it will be silent. Listen, if you are rearrange the letters of this word, you will get the answer of this question, that is silent. Now D rhymes with mist. Now which is the word which it is a rhyming word for mist? That is the least. From slit we have made word least, which is the rhyming word for mist. Next E, the sun rises in the direction dash. Now seat word is given, SEAT. From that you have to find out the answer, the direction in which sunrise, that is east. So answer will be east. Today's homework, students, you have to solve page number 83 and 84. The answer of these questions are given in video that you have to copy, and you have to read page number 83 and 84. Thank you.